Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and today this is going to be just a really quick video kasi alam ko lahat sa inyo is excited na sa 11.11 sale ng Lazada, and today I'll be sharing with you parang shopping guide or mga products that you can purchase on that day sa November 11, 2019. So, ano ba meron dun sa day na yun? Bakit ang daming tao, parang they're going crazy about the sale? Kasi almost 90% off siya on that day sa almost 11 million deals, if I'm not mistaken. And, ang maganda dun guys, pwede na kayong mag-shop today, as early as today. Tapos, ilagay nyo na siya sa shopping cart ninyo. Kasi makita nyo naman agad dun yung sale sa may Lazada app. And then, on November 11, you can just check out. So, check out nyo na lang yung cart nyo. And ang maganda dyan, guys, you can purchase through the links that I'll be including sa description box para sure na ito yung mga may discounts talaga on that day. So, madalas nyo may kita yung ganitong logo. Ayan, 11.11 na sale. Ayan. Tapos, meron ako dito mga products na, yun nga, na gusto kong i-share sa inyo that you might be interested. And lahat ng links guys and details ilalagay ko sa description box. So first thing is ito. Ito kasi sobrang excited ako i-try ito. Nakatry na ako nito before but it's from a different brand. But this one is Lux Organics. I've been seeing a lot of good reviews about this brand. Like maraming mga products sila na nire-rave ng mga YouTubers, ng mga vloggers. So this is one of their best sellers. Ayan. The Soothing Gel for all skin types, yung aloe vera gel nila. Ayan. Next is ito. Ito meron na ako nito, the Pink Sugar Eye Candy Eyeshadow Palette. Ang maganda sa Pink Sugar guys, it's a local brand, it's cruelty free, and promising talaga yung mga products nila. So look at how this one looks like. Ang ganda ng holographic effect, tama ba yun? And tada! These are the colors. The colors are very neutral and something that you can wear every single day or pwede nyo rin siyang gawing day-to-night makeup. Kung gusto nyo medyo gawing smoky, you can use this part. And then if gusto nyo medyo mas natural, you can use this part. And maraming products guys si Pink Sugar na sobrang ganda talaga. Next, of course, another favorite of mine na local brand. Ginawan ko sila ng video. Let me know if you've seen my previous video about Elana. May top 5 Elana makeup products na favorites ko. So, ilalagay ko na lang din yung link sa description box just in case gusto nyo makita pa ng ibang mga products nila. And this one is the Satin Stain Lip and Cheek Gel. Ayan. Na-feature ko to dun sa previous sa isa-isa ko pang Elana na video. So, this one, diba, who would have thought this is a local brand? Ayan. Ito guys, yung shade nila na to, matagal na to eh. Yung dumaan na to sa napakaraming type ng packaging. And this is the updated one. Nandito na siya. Dati nasa tube pa siya. Tapos, basta naging dito pa, naging dropper, naging iba-iba yung naging packaging niya. This one is parang final and sobrang ganda. Ayan. Diba? Next is, okay, another one from Elana. This is the Stay Fresh Setting Spray. Ayan. Meron ako nito yung, ayan. Meron ako nitong isa. I think this one is the scented. Wait lang. Ano ba ang kaibahan nila? I think, para sa mana? I think ito yung scented eh. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Setting spray. Mas maganda siyang i-partner dun sa Elana na powder foundation kasi mas masiset niya talaga and mas magiging long-lasting yung inyong makeup with this one. And next is, okay, this one naman, if you've seen yung previous post ko sa Instagram, na-feature ko to, yung Yada Cosmetics. It's from South Korea. It's a local brand. It's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, it's made of natural ingredients, and wala siyang animal extract. So, yun. So, kaya, sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang bongga siya. This is the Dazzling Red 01, yung Auto Lip Crayon. Actually, ay sayang, hindi ko makuha. Suot ko ngayon yung lip and cheek tint nila, yung tawag dito, yung kulay Yung isang nasa picture ko sa Instagram is yung wannabe pink. This one is the peachy coral. Ayan, kita niyo ang ganda, diba? Wala akong makeup, guys. Ano lang to? Moisturizer, tapos lip and cheek tint. Yun na, gora na. Kasi matutulog na rin naman ako. So, ayan. Yung peachy coral, tapos ayan yung nasa cheeks ko. Sobrang long lasting ito. Yung sa cheeks ko, guys, hanggang sa makauwi ako ng bahay, it lasted me more than 8 hours. No joke yun, walang retouch. So, this one is the Auto Lip Crayon. This one is more of a lipstick type talaga siya. Ayan. So, you can check them out, yung mga products ng Yada sa Lazada because they are going on sale. So, this is the perfect time for you to try them. Sa mga fan ng KBeauty dyan and cruelty-free products. Ayan. Next is my favorite brow products. No joke. From K-Palette, of course, a lot of beauty enthusiasts know about K-Palette. And they're cruelty-free and they last long talaga. This is for the eyebrows. The lasting two-way eyebrow liquid liquid pen. So, ano meron siya? Ito, liquid yung kabilang side niya. Maganda kasi magagawa mo yung parang hair-like strokes. And then, on the other side, andito yung powder. So, after mong mag-draw ng hair strokes, time to fill in din. I-fill in mo yung eyebrows mo. And then, of course, para hindi mag-move yung eyebrow hairs, this is the brow mascara. I have this, to show you. Talagang, ginagamit ko siya. Oops! Ayan, ito yung mascara. Yung isa kasi, nandun sa makeup kit ko, na ginagamit ko sa kotse. Yun nyo kung gaano ko ka-favorite yung K-Palette. Ayan siya. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, and I have all of these for my eyebrows. Ganun kaganda ang K-Palette makeup, guys. And then, so this one naman is the BYS lipstick. This is 299 pesos. Cruelty-free din siya. And I think paraben-free din yung mga products nila. Di ba nagkaroon ako ng workshop with them sa SM Makati few months ago. And this is their lipstick. This is in the shade Going Gaga. Ayan. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong color ng lipsticks, so which means check out nyo guys yung mga BYS Cosmetics products. Aside sa lipstick, maganda din yung meron maganda silang pangkilay yung nasa palette. And yung kanilang mga lipsticks and mga blushes. Ayan. Actually, marami silang magandang makeup eh. And then next is, of course, the Colorette Color Tints. Ayan. Meron na ako lahat nito actually. Lahat nito. Kaya, abangan nyo, I'll be doing a giveaway for this. Ayan, may iba siyang color. Intense Blend Lip and Cheek Oil. So, we have different colors. Ayan, naka-sale din siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ito yung shade na to, yung Zola. Ito yung parang nahulog! Wait lang, nahulog siya. Goodness, buti hindi nabasag. Oops. Sobrang raw nitong video ko na to. So, ito guys, yung favorite na shade ko. Then, yung Zola. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan ha, kasi saan ba yun? Lapit ko siya sa nandun siya sa dulo-dulo. Wait lang, sorry, hindi ko makita. Ayan. Pero ito yung one of their best seller na shade, yung Zola. Kasi perfect siya for everyday. Lip and cheek na din siya. Then pwede din siya sa eyelids. So, ayan yung iba't iba yung mga shades. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan isa-isa kasi nga, i-include ko siya sa giveaway. So, since kompleto naman ako, I'll be doing swatches review na lang, or I don't know if it's gonna be published here on YouTube channel or sa blog, pero ayan. Check nyo guys yung Colorette Color Tints. Next is, eto, Orly. I believe cruelty-free din to. Forget Me Not, if you are into nail polish. Ayan, ganda ng shade niya. And this one is free from harmful ingredients as well. Tapos naglalast talaga yung ano nila, yung polish nila, and hindi agad nag-chip. Ayan. Next is ito naman, something that you can check out, but these are not cruelty-free. Just a disclaimer, guys, because I support cruelty-free products. So these ones, I'll be giving these away sa vlog ko. So we have the Herbal Essences Hydrate Coconut Milk Shampoo. Ayan, if you're into their line, you can check them out. Nakasale sila sa Lazada. As early as today, you can shop na and then check out na lang on November 11 para mag-apply yung sale. Kasi if i-check out nyo siya ngayon, hindi siya ma-apply. So, dapat sa November 11 para umepekto yung sale price niya. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I have a review of this. I think this is a channel ko, but I no longer promote this kasi hindi cruelty-free si Maybelline. So, but if you are into their products, you can check this out. And then lastly, itong brow styler na Benefit. At again, Benefit is not a cruelty-free brand, but in fairness to them, maganda talaga yung mga makeup nila, and especially mga pang brow makeups nila, as in ginagamit ko sila sa client ko, sa mga makeup clients ko, especially yung nag-wedding pa ako. So this one is the brow styler. And grabe yung mga packaging nila. Look at this. Ang cute, diba? So, ayan. Meron siyang pencil sa other end. And then, dito naman yung powder. Ayan. Maganda kasi may, ano na siya. Ano dyan? Ayan. Tangkay. Tawag dito, applicator. Tangkay talaga. So, anyway, that's it, guys, for my shopping guide or shopping list for the Lazada 11.11 sale. Again, you can shop as early as today and then add them to your cart na and then check out nyo na lang siya on November 11. Ayan. And check nyo again yung links ng mga to para sure kayo na yung mabibili nyo is sila yung mga naka-sale talaga. Kasi di ba minsan meron sa Lazada na na parang same products pero hindi siya naka-sale. So ito, para sure siya. Check nyo yung link sa description box. And, yun, that's it. If you have any suggestion, actually, alam niyo, bumili ako ng phone case. Hindi ko, nakalimutan ko may 11.11 sale. Pero, ngayon magsha-shop din ako for myself. And, excited ako sa 11.11, November 11. I'll see you guys sa shopping cart ninyo. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Sabi sa inyo, very raw lang nito. And, kailangan ko kasi ma-share na sa inyo to bago mag-November 11, diba? Para magkaroon kayo ng more ideas on what you can purchase. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next time. This is Gen-zel signing off, wishing your day to be as flawless as your makeup. Bye!